Hi, I'm Wilmer Valoria and I'm 26 years old and from Philippines, a video editor for 4 years. Before we send, here are my responses to your questions. Number one, why I am interested in this position is simply because it combines my passion for video editing with health and wellness, and also the compensation is suitable and great. It's an exchange of my skills, and I see it as a good opportunity to create impactful content while further improving myself in developing my skills in video editing. And the second one, why do I know about your company? Is that I understand that your company values creativity, storytelling, and wellness, helping brands connect with people through high-performing video content. And the number three question that you have is that what is my ideal work environment? So my ideal work environment is a collaborative, a creative environment where I can contribute my ideas and receive feedback and work with the team that values quality and efficiency. That's what I like about the work environment. It's also in working with other team or other people in creative industry. And what is my strength is that I'm skilled in Premiere Pro. That is the primary tools I use, Premiere Pro, and CapCut for faster editing and user friendly. So, and also I'm detail oriented and organized person. I like to organize all the files so that in the future, so it's not hard to find all the files. And also, I always eager to learn more about trending styles and internet like TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and any other platforms. And the last one, where do I see myself 5 years from now? I see myself growing and into a lead video editor, mastering motion graphics, mastering video editing, ads, and creating more content that helps brand in the wellness space roles, especially in wellness, and inspire people together with your team. So that is in myself that still working with you and still growing with your team and giving inspiration and impactful content in the wellness industry. And I think that's all I have to share with you, all the questions that you've sent to me, and looking forward to talk to you personally, rather online, seeing you face to face. Thank you so much and have a nice day.